In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do combo with Boxer in Project Smash. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about a very basic combo that you can do with the Boxer in Project Smash. This combo will be easy to learn, and you will be able to do it over and over again to guarantee as many kills as possible. Because the Boxer is very accessible, you will be able to get him right away for 2,750 cash, and then you will be able to start practicing this combo. So for this combo, you will be doing 3 M1s, followed by your third ability, which is Body Blow Combo, 3 M1s into an uppercut, a forward dash, and finish it off with 3 M1s into a down slam into a gazelle punch. So this whole combo will do a good chunk of damage, and because it isn't too long, it is going to be easy to remember. So once again, you do 3 M1s into your 3 into 3 M1s uppercut, forward dash, 3 M1s down slam into gazelle punch, which is your first ability. Of course, there are more combos that you can integrate with Boxer, but because he is such an entry pick, most people don't spend too much time trying out combos for him. So if you are able to develop something or come across a specific combo made by someone, share it in the comment section of this video. This is a combo that was shared on the unofficial Project Smash wiki, and of course, like I said, it is a very simple one to learn. You will also be able to find combos for many other characters available in there. So stuff like Sumo, Viking, Bandit, Rogue, and so on are also available in there, but for this video, I was focusing on the Boxer. And like I said, once again, all that you have to do is 3 M1s into a 3, 3 M1s uppercut, forward dash, 3 M1 down slam into a 1, and you will be able to execute this combo. I hope I was able to help you on how to combo with Boxer in Project Smash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.